And just like that, there's something missing. I've given up, I've sold it. Not really, not after all this. I'm gonna head out the front, the bike's already out there. Just gotta put the tank on, battery. And then it's ready for an MOT, I think. Oh, indicators as well, they might help. But MOT is booked for 11:30 in the morning. And we've done all we can.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing. Not even a flicker.
You lying?
No.
Please be lying.
Not
What does it want? Well,
new ones of them.
we're in having them. Yes folks, we are out and we are on the Tiger. Now this is the first time I've ridden this motorcycle since I picked it up. I literally picked it up, brought it home, put it in the workshop, and then it's been in pieces and fighting me ever since. But we're on it and we're going to see if we can get some fuel. Seems to handle well. It's very different. It lays in nice and easy. But yeah, we're going to get some fuel and then we're going to chance it and see if we can get an MOT on this thing. So see how lucky we are. As you know, it's been quite a fight, this machine, every step of the way. Just to go over a little bit of a brief list of what we've done. So, I struggle to remember, to be honest. It's been that long. Obviously, we had a leaking fuel tank. And a lot of problems with the fuel pump and debris in the tank, so replacement tank in the correct colour, a few marks on it but not too bad. It doesn't seem to be leaking now. So we had a new gasket for that, we had a new gasket for the fuel sender, and that's all refitted. But yeah, so all that with the fuel tank. Then noticed a significant oil leak, which was coming from the output sprocket. Yeah, so we had a significant oil leak coming from the output sprocket seal. That's now been solved. New seal in there and the drive sprocket back on. We had some leaks from degrading coolant hoses. Replaced all of those, and then started leaking from the pump housing, so I replaced the gasket and seal on that. Put it all back together, filled it, bled the system through, and then it started leaking out the weep hole in the pump, which is a fail-safe situation to tell you that the inner seals in the pump are toast. So I've now ended up replacing the entire water pump on the thing. We've done that. New rear wheel bearings because they were in bad shape, and we've got proper alignment on the rear brake now, which is nice. Yeah, but amongst other things, it's a bit of touch up here and there. Complete set of coolant hoses, like I say. Full service. Oh, and we had the problem with the helicoil and the sump plug. But as it stands at the moment, not too bad at all. It's very comfortable. We'll go in here and stick some decent fuel in. And get to our MOT. Just £20 or so. Right, Tiger. Let's go, eh? Down here. On the left somewhere. I looked at that. But these units, finally.